In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check transfer status on Wise. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in the app to see whether your money is on its way, when it's expected to arrive, and what each part of the tracking screen means. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection and that your Wise app is up to date so everything loads quickly and accurately. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device. If you use biometric login, let it authenticate. Otherwise, sign in as you normally do. Once you're in, you'll land on the main area of the app. From here, go to the Home tab. You'll usually find Home in the bottom navigation bar. This is your central hub where you can see your balances, cards, and, most importantly for today, your recent activity. The home screen is designed to give you a quick snapshot, but for a complete view, we'll open the full transaction list. Look for the transaction section on the home screen and tap See All. This expands your history so you can browse everything in one place. The list shows your most recent transfers first, along with basic details like the amount, currency, and date. If you don't see the transfer right away, scroll through the list. A quick tip: pulling down on the screen refreshes the feed in case new updates are available. Now find the transfer you want to check and tap it to open the details. This takes you to the transfers tracking page. At the top, you'll see the current status. Common ones include processing, in progress, completed, or canceled. Just below, there's often a timeline that shows each stage, such as money received, converting currency, sending to the bank, and delivered. You'll also see an estimated arrival time, which can shift slightly based on weekends, bank cutoffs, or recipient bank processing times. If you've sent multiple transfers, double check the amount, currency, and recipient to make sure you're viewing the right one. When a transfer is completed, you'll typically see a confirmation and a clear timestamp. If it's still processing, give it a moment. Status updates are posted as soon as Wise receives them from partner banks. Notifications can help here, so consider enabling them to get alerts when the status changes. That's it. Open the Wise app, go to Home, tap See All under Transactions, then select your transfer to view its status and timeline. With these steps, you'll always know where your money is and when it should arrive.